So in today's video, I'll walk you through the process of disavowing links using the Google Search Console and the SEMrush tool. So basically, the disavow tool is a feature which is provided by Google Search Console, and it helps in telling Google to ignore some specific backlinks which are pointing to your website, also helping to prevent those links from the negative affecting the search engine rankings of your website. So let's start with the process now. First, you need to log in your SEMrush account. Once you're done with this, go to the backlinks audit option under the link building. Here it is. So once you open this dashboard, you need to create a project and add the link of your website that you want to get the toxic link list. So I've already added my website here and have my audit already run for this. Here it is. So once you put your website for the backlink audit, it will take some time to run here in the SEMrush, and once it is completed, you can see this type of dashboard open in front of you. So it shows that it's 3.2% toxic backlinks we have. So here it is, and there are 4 backlinks which are currently showing as a toxic link for our site. So what I'll do is I'll export the list of all these backlinks. You can even add the filters from here also, like if you want the list of the backlinks which have toxic score between 60 to 100, you can select this option, and if you want the list of your websites which have toxic score between 45 to 59, you can select this, and it will accordingly show you the list of sites below. So I prefer that the sites which are having the toxic score more than 50, I want them to be removed from my website. So I will select this option here. So here you can see that these are 4 backlinks. They have toxic scores such as 79, 68, 68 and 60. So I want all of them to be removed. So I click on the CSV option here, and it will get us the downloaded list of all of these URLs. So what is the next step would be, I'll copy the links of all these backlinks here, and I will create a document for disavow backlinks here. If you have multiple backlinks with same domain which you want to get disavow, then you just need to add here in the front like domain colon and only the domain link here. Remove the other thing. This we do so that each and every backlink which is created for your website through this domain will all be get removed after we submit the request. And else, if you have separate backlinks with separate domains, then you just need to copy paste all of them just like I did right up. So once this is completed, save the name of the sheet as disavow-ist. So I'm downloading it in the TXT format. After that, you need to go to the Google Search Console tool, log in it with the same mail ID on which you have the access of your account, of your website property. Go to the Google, type disavow tool here. Now you need to log in this disavow tool with the same mail ID. Select the property. So here it is. Then once you select your property, go to the upload disavow list button. I'm uploading the sheet here. So you can see that the list is uploaded, and here you can see that 0 domains and 4 URLs are disavowed. So all of the 4 links which I got as a toxic links from the SEMrush tool, I added that to the disavow tool. So now Google will identify these backlinks and it will remove these backlinks from my website. So these backlinks will no more be pointed towards my website. Disavowing the backlinks having toxic score more than 60 is important because there are too many harmful backlinks which can hurt your website's search engine rankings. To get rid of that, it is must that you regularly have a checkup of your backlinks which are created for your website. Do the backlink audit and see how many toxic links are pointing toward your site. So this process takes time, and it tells Google to ignore these toxic backlinks, and also it will help to improve your rankings. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.